Hello everybody to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Microsoft Word document summary for your document. We have sometimes you are creating document and at the end you try to create manually the summary for your document you and it's so difficult if you have a lot of titles and subtitles and if you are going to do it manually it's so difficult. So here I will give you a solution to generate your summary for your document quickly and automatically under Microsoft Word software or LibreOffice if you are working under Linux system. So it's the same. The method is the same for different tools, editing tools. It's the same under Linux and it's the same under Windows. And the difference, just the difference is the option of the software. For example, if you are under LibreOffice, you have some options and not others. And in the Microsoft Word and the Microsoft Office, there is some other option that you don't have in the open sources software. Here I will create for you an example document with titles, for example, and two level of titles. For example, the header one title, and the subtitles. So for the paragraph, I'm going just to generate an example of paragraphs like that. I write paragraph everywhere, and I have four level of titles and just two level in the summary table at the end. Well, if you're for the first time you are creating your document, all is considered as a paragraph, and you should tell the software that this is a title and one and this is a title two. So the first level each time it's title one, and the second one is title two, and so on, title three, and so on. If you have different level, you can select each title with the according level. So here, for example, I created a document with titles and subtitles, and now I'm formatting the titles to be considered in when I'm going to generate the summary of a table. So the software is going to take into consideration the formatting that I'm doing right now. So here to answer to the summary table, so go ahead in the menu and select table summary, and we have some options and we can see how it looks at the end. So we can, for example, change the title, we can change entities, styles, how many columns, or for example, we can also change the background of the table. So go ahead and click OK, so you can see that the summary tables is generated automatically with two levels, as we mentioned in the formatting titles. So if we want, for example, another level, we can add it. We can add it, for example, a third level just for the title 4, but it's the same thing for other title. If you want to add another level, another sub level of titles, you can do the same. So for example, for 14 title, we can just select third as a level, and we just update our table to get the last updates. There is other options if you want to update your table at the end. Just click on the right on the right, and you can get more option to update your summary table. So thank you for watching, and if you have question, put it in the comment, and I will try to answer it in the next video.